Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have been sent this revenue figures for different cities in the email body by one of my colleagues. The problem is I can see straight away that there are some extra spaces in front of each number. Now imagine if you have a huge data set and you have the same problem coming across multiple columns. If you manually do this, it's just going to drive you insane. And plus, you never know. Sometimes you have spaces ahead of the number. Sometimes it could be towards, the leading spaces. Like, can you see over here? There is a leading space over here as well. Now, I could use traditional functions of crim and clean and see if it helps me. So let's do that. Equal to crim and click on the cell, enter. Nope, that doesn't work. Control Z. Let's use clean. Click on the cell, enter, no, Control Z. So it means what I'm dealing with over here are called, wait for it, it's called char 160, or in other words, non-breaking spacing characters. To deal with this, I am going to plug in char 160 with substitute. So bear with me as I write the formula. So equal to substitute, this is my cell, my old text is going to be char 160 close bracket, and I would like to replace that with absolutely nothing, so inverted commas with nothing in between, enter. Okay, let's look at the formula. So substitute is first asking me for a text. My text is the cell right here, and then it's asking me for the old text. Old text is going to be char 160. Can you see? It's all those extra spaces. And what is my new text? Like, what would I like to be replacing these spaces with? It is absolutely nothing. See, nothing over here. So let me just drag this down like so. Now the thing is that this is still not done because Excel, because I have a formula over here, it is still going to consider these numbers as text values. I can't go ahead and do my calculations as of yet. So there are two tiny steps to be doing. I'm going to first select my cells, Control C, and paste them as values. Now do you see an error over here? It is still treating these values as text. So let's click on this tiny arrow over here and convert it all into numbers. So voila, my problem has been solved. I can go ahead and do my sum or whatever calculation I would like to do. This is my way of dealing with this kind of a problem. Write in the comments down below, how do you deal with non-breaking spacing characters in Excel? I would love to read your comments. So until next time, stay tuned. Much love. God bless. Bye.
Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, stay tuned. Much love. God bless. Bye.